Good morning, friends. You all have been thinking that how you will study in this lockdown period. So I have decided to create this video to tell you how to use function and what is a function is all about. So now, if I will tell the definition, then the definition of the function is it is a block of code that performs some task. It is a block of code that performs some task. But this is the definition. And first we will try to understand why we need function. Okay, so before knowing anything you must know that why you need anything. So we need function when we are having a large task and it is very complex to handle it. Then we divide that large task into small functions so that we can handle the situation in a smart way. Okay. Uh, if I will tell you by an example, suppose I am telling Akriti. Suppose I am telling Akriti to do prayer, quiz, plays, and song in the morning assembly. So I have told Akriti to do prayer, quiz, plays, and song in the morning assembly. Now this is a complex task for Akriti. She will tell that no ma'am, I can't do all these things alone. So please divide it among other students. So what we will do, we will divide it. I will divide it and I will give prayer to some other student. Suppose I will give prayer to Raman. I will give quiz to Sumit. I will give place to Karthik. And I will give song to some other student, say as Ahad. I'm selecting easy names, okay? And now they will perform. Now how we have to divide this whole complex thing to other four students, we will see it through an example. Now this is my IDE Spider Python 3.7. Now she's Akriti, she's doing four things. I can't do everything. We can not sing song here, so I have just I have written just one line: print, player, press, quiz, and song. Now Akriti is doing this, and I'm just running this program, and you can see that prayer, plus, quiz, and song gets printed. Now this is being done by Akriti. Now I have to divide it among four students. So what I have shown you that Raman will do prayer. So I will write here, sorry, caps lock is on. I will write here def Raman, then parenthesis, and then colon, and the prayer line will go to Raman section. Now what I have to do is I have to give place to Sumit. So I'm just copying it from here and I will paste it here, and this is Sumit. So place is being done by Sumit and I have to take care of indentation. So I am keeping place inside the indentation of Sumit section. Now the next student is Karthik. I hope there is some student named Karthik in the class, and quiz will go to Karthik, and the next student is Ahad. So I will write here Ahad, and the song will be done by Ahad. Okay, so now see, I have divided my task Raman will do prayer, Sumit will do plays, Karthik will do quiz, and Ahad will do song. Now what if I will run this program now? Now I am running this program and see nothing happens. Nothing happens here. I have written such a program and no error is also, no bug is in this program. This shows that if you are creating any function, it will only get executed when you call it. This is the definition and I am not calling any function till now. Now who will call this function? So I have told you that Akriti will call. Akriti is host and she will call everyone for the program. Now Akriti wants to call Ahad first for the song. So she will call Ahad and now I am running the program and see what's the output. Song gets printed. Now Akriti is calling Ahad. So Ahad function will get executed and song gets printed here. Now if she after she want to call Raman. Now I am typing here Raman. So after first song will get printed and in the second thing prayer will get printed. So now you can see that first song then prayer, and if on public demand Ahad has to sing again that song, then again we will write Ahad and we can see that again song gets printed. Now Akriti will call Karthik for quiz. So now she is calling Karthik. Now quiz gets printed. Now at last we will do some plays and Sumit will be called, and now you can see that Sumit is printing plays here. We can also call any function from command line. From console window we can call any function. For example, I am calling Sumit. I am writing here Sumit. In 8 you can see here. So I am calling here Sumit. And now you can see that plus gets printed. Now we can see that what the function is mainly all about. Now in the second slide I have written all the things which we have learned till now. What is the function? It is a block of code that performs some task. It begins with the keyword def. It has a name followed by parenthesis and it will run only when we call it. And that's the all thing it has. It starts with keyword def, then name of the function, and then parenthesis, and at last colon. The statement which you want to put inside a function that should follow its indentation. In this program we are having 4 functions named Raman, Sumit, Karthik and Ahad. Akriti is a main function and she is calling these functions. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you understood. Okay, thank you.